I look really weird, don't I? I just have my eyebrows on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Siena Beauty. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if not, well, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look, and that's why I look kind of funny, because I just have my brows on. But yeah, I'm going to be testing out the Warrior palette by Juvia'S. I think it's Juvia'S place. But they came out with the Warrior palette, I believe, last year. I just happened to find this at Ulta and thought it was the coolest palette. They have like this whole Egyptian line and just, I don't know. I was swatching some like in the store, and these are literally the most pigmented colors, and they're only $20. That's amazing. It comes with 9 shades for $20, and they're extremely pigmented. Like, how are they making money? Or maybe everyone else is just overpricing. Oh. But anyways, I'm gonna be testing out this palette. I was a little hesitant at first, just because I'm pretty sure these shades are meant for darker skins. I have a feeling that every shade is versatile, and if not, well, we can make it versatile. They're all neutral colors, and I'm pretty sure, I don't know, maybe it'll just be a very dramatic look. I don't know, we'll see. Obviously, there's a cool story behind why they wanted to do it. They were inspired by the Amazons in Africa, and this is why they created this palette, which I think is awesome that there's a whole story behind it. But yeah, without further ado, I just want to open this palette and dig in. Why am I awful at opening packages, honestly? Clean cut? Ooh. So I did watch someone else's review on these. Well, I've watched a couple reviews because research, but I heard in the past that a lot of people receive these broken, and that's why they started putting bubble wrap on, which I think is awesome that they're listening to their customers and actually changing things. But yeah, so it's in bubble wrap, and it's actually 2 layers of bubble wrap. That's pretty impressive. And this is the palette. All right, ready? Ready? We'll do this together. Ready? Ready? They're not broken, we're good! But this is gorgeous. Ugh. But these shades are amazing! Ugh. I'm not sure if I'll be able to pronounce any of the names, and I don't want to butcher them, but I will do my best. Please don't judge. I am awful at pronouncing things. My English is no good sometimes, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these colors for you guys so you can see what they look on a pale girl's skin. So we've got Amina, Idia, Mino, Ahosi, Marimi, Kano, Dahomey, Bakwa, and Benin. So just jumping right into it, I'm going to first prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And I'm also going to buff that in with a mini beauty blender. And then taking the Warrior palette, I'm going to take the color Ahosi and a tapered crease brush, and I'm going to work that color in the crease of my eye. I'm just going to work that back and forth in like a sweeping motion, just making sure and blend that all over for a transition shade. Next I'm going to go in with Kano. And we're going to do pretty much the same thing as with the other color, just putting this in the crease with the same brush, and we're just going to be blending the two together. This is also going to be sort of a transition shade, and you're just trying to make some shadows and just making it look good. Next I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and we're going to go into the color Mino, and we're going to be putting this darker shade in the outer corner of my eye, and also going to be blending this into the transition shade up into the crease. I noticed I had to build this color up a lot, so I had to go back and get some more of the darker color and put this on the outer corner, but just do know that this color isn't the most pigmented, but you're able to build it up to the desired color that you do want. Next I'm going to go into the color Benin with a flat fluffy brush, and I'm just going to start patting and blending this all over wherever I put the darker color. This is going to add some sparkle and just make it a little bit more dramatic. Next we're going to go in with a flat brush and go into the color Marimi. I'm going to use MAC Fix Plus, and I'm just going to spritz it on there, and this is going to make the color pop even more with all those sparkles and stuff. And now I'm just patting it on the center of my eyelid and basically just all over my eyelid. And I actually went ahead and did 2 layers to make it look even more pigmented and just sparkly and just beautiful. Next I took the OFRA highlighter in the color Star Island, and then I just used my finger to dab it on in the inner corner of my eye just to give it a little bit more of a highlight. And then I took a pencil brush and the same highlighter and just highlighted my brow bone to once again just give some more sparkle and just light up the whole area. Then I took the same flat fluffy brush and just sort of blended all the colors together and just making it all look seamless and perfect. And then I also just used whatever was on the brush and just dragged it onto the bottom lash line just to make it a little bit more dramatic. Next I took my Endless Silky eye pen from Pixi, and I just lined my tight line. How I do this is I just pull back my eyelashes, and then I just draw on that skin right there. I feel like this just makes your eyes pop. It makes you look like you have more lashes than you actually do. I don't know. You could probably see if there's a difference. There might not be, but I feel like it makes a difference, especially if you pull out your lashes like I do. Next, I use the Doucce eyeliner, and I'm just gonna line my eye. I'm not gonna really go into detail on how I do this. If you want to learn more how to do your eyeliner, go ahead and watch my other videos on that. And also, I kind of messed up a lot. Basically how I just fixed that is at first I used a Q-tip, and I learned that this was not the best idea. It kind of just made it worse, honestly. I ended up just putting concealer over my mistakes, so I mean, I guess you learned a trick here today? I don't know. But yeah, so I just kind of covered up my mistake with concealer and just kind of drew over that, and I called it good, yeah. Next I went in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal, and then I just applied mascara to the top and bottom lashes before I put on some falsies. And then I put on some Lilly Lashes. Make sure and check out my other video if you want to learn how to put on falsies. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so I just put one lash on just so you guys can see the comparison in lashes. But yeah, I had so much fun playing with this palette. I think it turned out really nice. But yeah, so the eyeshadow looks really nice. I think it is very similar to the Naked 1 or 2 palette. I think it was awesome. I think for $20, this is an awesome palette. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and also like this video if you enjoyed it. Also comment down below your favorite color. Ooh, maybe I'll do like a makeup look with different colors. Ooh. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!